Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of First Premier Credit Card. This is a card many people see in mail offers, especially if they've struggled with their credit in the past. I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this card, from how it works, how much it costs, the strengths, the weaknesses, and whether it might be the right one for you. Let's find out in this video. On the homepage right now, you would see that it's obvious that this card is for building credits. Yes, that's the core message of this card. It's marketed as a credit builder, a path to help people with bad credits, thin credit files, or even no credit history at all to start establishing or improving their credit standing. This card, issued by the First Premier Bank, is what's known in the industry as a subprime credit card. That simply means it's designed for individuals who may have had trouble qualifying for traditional credit cards due to low credit scores. Unlike many major rewards cards that require good to excellent credit, this card is accessible to more people. Before we go further, it's worth noting that First Premier Bank itself is a legitimate US financial institution based in South Dakota known for issuing these types of credit cards. Now let us talk about the main features of the First Premier credit card. Credit building focus. This card is primarily used to help you build or rebuild credits. That's its core purpose. Every month, activity on the accounts, like payments, balances, is reported to the major credit bureaus. That means responsible use can help improve your credit profile over time. Pre-qualification with no hard credit inquiry. You can see your potential offer without hurting your credit score. This is a soft check and nothing shows up on your credit report unless you actually apply. This is a powerful feature for anyone wary of hitting their credit score with multiple hard inquiries. Online account management. You can log in or set up online access, which lets you view transactions, make payments, and manage your account from your device. Multiple account types. Based on your credit profile, you might qualify for an unsecured Premier Bank card or a Premier secured credit card. And the other card requires a refundable security deposit if your credit is extremely low or if you have no credit history. Both types of cards are designed to build credits, but secured cards generally require that you deposit, which then becomes your credit limit. So what is the pricing like? The card charges a one-time program fee when you open the account. The fee varies depending on your credit limits, but it's typically between $55 to $95. So this is charged before you even use the card. So your available credits after that fee may be significantly lower than it looks on paper. Also, there's an annual fee. Once the account is opened, you also see an annual fee. It also varies basically, but it's between $50 to $125. There's also a monthly fee, a monthly servicing fee that can range from $0 to $10.40 per month, depending on your card. And for APR, if you carry any balance from month to month, the interest is charged. A high APR, which is usually around 36%, is common for this card, so carrying a balance is not recommended. What are the pros and cons of using the First Premier credit card? First, the pros. It helps build or rebuild your credits. By reporting monthly activity, this card gives you a chance to improve your credit score if used responsibly. It's easier to get approved than other traditional cards. If your credit score is low or your history is limited, many traditional cards will decline you, and this card might approve you when others won't. Pre-qualification with no score hits. Yes, you can check potential offers without hurting your credits. And you also have online and mobile access where you can manage payments, view statements, and track activity either online or via mobile. How about the cons? High fees across the board, high interest rates, which is 36% APR, and low initial credit limits. So is the First Premier Bank credit card worth it? If your primary goal is to build or rebuild credit and you've been unable to qualify for other cards, the First Premier credit card can be a tool to do that. Because it reports to credit bureaus, as earlier mentioned, it offers pre-qualification and gives you a practical way to establish payment history. However, it comes with a cost. The fees are among the highest that you will see for credit builder cards, and if you're not disciplined with payments, those costs can outweigh the credit building benefits. It's also not a card that you'd use for rewards or everyday perks because this card does not offer any rewards. So The key is understanding why you want this card and what you expect to gain. And that's it on the review of the first Premier credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Discover It Secure Card, Capital One Platinum Secured, and Credit Builder loans or apps. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.